Hey there, financial wizards and business enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only important for the success of businesses big and small but also has the potential to make your accounting process feel like a breeze on a sunny day. Yep, you guessed it, we're talking about accounting process automation. Now, before you start envisioning robots in suits crunching numbers, let's break it down in a way that even your grandma would understand. Ready? Let's roll. Picture this: you've got a bustling business, but when it comes to keeping track of those dollars flowing in and out, things get messier than a spaghetti eating contest. From banks to investors to tax time, you've got to have your financial records locked and loaded. But fear not, dear friends, because in the ever-evolving world of technology, there's a shining solution on the horizon. Meet your business's new best friend, automated accounting software. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds like rocket science, right? Wrong. Even if you're more into memes than math, don't sweat it. Automated accounting is here to save the day, making your financial record-keeping smoother than a milkshake. Hold on to your hats, because we're about to drop some accounting wisdom on you. Best practice number 1: tailor your software to your needs. It's like finding the perfect pair of sneakers, your software should fit like a glove. Best practice number 2: mix and match. Your software should play nicely with your bank statements and internal records, like a dance party for numbers. Best practice number 3: keep your human accountant around. Even superheroes need sidekicks, human oversight is key. Ever imagined your financial data vanishing into thin air? Yeah, not cool. But worry not, because the cloud is here to save the day. Storing your data in a safe haven like ControlHub ensures your info stays intact, even in the face of chaos. Prepare to be amazed. Your accounting software isn't just about numbers, it's a magician that whips up graphs and charts to help your human accountant understand your financial health. We're talking about analysis like a boss. Hold on to your wallets, because this is where the magic happens. Say goodbye to those days of drowning in manual accounting tasks. With automation, you're not just saving time, you're saving big bucks too. Let the software handle the heavy lifting while your experts dive into high-level insights that can make or break your business. We know your finance team isn't a bunch of tech wizards, and that's okay. The best automated accounting software doesn't come with a pull-your-hair-out learning curve. It's all about ease of use. Master those tasks in a jiffy, import data effortlessly, and watch your business soar. So there you have it, my fellow financial adventurers. Whether you're a business mogul or just starting out, accounting process automation is your ticket to financial freedom. Embrace it, make it your own, and watch as your business blossoms like a field of sunflowers. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the future of accounting is bright, breezy, and oh so automated. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share the positivity. Until next time, keep crunching those numbers with a smile.